Electioneering for Sohiong constituency scheduled for May 10th has gained momentum with the filing of nominations by United Democratic Party candidate Sinchar Kupar Roy Lingdo Thaba on Tuesday. Thaba was accompanied by UDP President Medba Lingdo besides his supporters. The election to the Sohiong Assembly constituency adjourned following the sudden demise of UDP candidate and former Home Minister HDR Lingdo ahead of the polls. Later, talking to reporters, the UDP candidate said that the death of HDR Lingdo was a great loss to the family, to the party and to the state. He assured that he would continue to work for the people of the constituency following the legacy of the former Home Minister.
The people of Sohiong constituency are praying every day and wants to produce lawmaker, not just legislator. Legislator who will speak in the assembly, legislator who will voice out the people's pain and grief. The youth are angry. People are watching. I'm being watched as I speak. Serious bills and subjects are being moved in the assembly like the last session. We need intellectuals to speak and debate.
BJP Minister Alexander